Hello my good people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am somewhere in a place called Evergreen. It's in Kiambu Road. Yes, and they have fishing, they have horse riding. Yeah, that's their the dam where you can fish. Yeah, it's beautiful. This is bamboo tree, very big because of water. Yeah, so this place is in a safe environment, and if you they have a garden where you can do the wedding and the photo shoot. Yeah, boat riding. Yeah, you can see the boats. Yeah, you can see the boats are there. Yeah, that's the boat. Yeah, you can go boat riding. Yeah, it's a it's a very beautiful place. Yeah, it's called evergreen because it yeah, it's green. Yeah, right now it's not rainy season, but you can see it's still green. Yeah. So entrance is 500 per person. Yeah. Yeah, you can see it's yeah, it's beautiful. It's good. Yeah, it's very nice and beautiful. It look good, and you can bring your yeah. It's beautiful place. Very good. Yeah, they have a picnic and camping. Yeah, during the day. Yeah, that's what today I came here to do, and I just to enjoy myself, to relax. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, like, and comment. See you in the next video. Bye.